Dear student, in the last class I taught you how to find perimeter of a figure by adding all the sides and by using formula for some special polygons. Today I am going to teach you how we find the area of a different figure of different figures by using formula and by adding the small squares. First of all, let us read the definition for area. What is area? The space covered by the shape is called its area. The space covered by the shape is called its area. Area and perimeter both are totally different from each other. You can see this small square I have drawn here, and also you can see this small square I have drawn here. If I have to find the perimeter of this small square, then I have to add all the sides to get the total length of this figure. Boundary length, I need boundary length. See, this is its boundary. Inside part we no need for finding perimeter. Inside part we don't need. We need only the boundary length. You can see from here, if I will start, it will be completely its length, complete length. It is the complete length. To get the complete length, we have to add all the sides. So here I have added all the sides, then I got 4 cm. This is its boundary length, or it is perimeter. But for finding area, what we should do? We should not find the boundary length. We should find the inside part, how much space it is covering. You can see this square is covering this much part. For finding the inside space, how much space it is covering, we should need 2 sides always. For this side, you can see this is length is 1 cm, and for this side it is also 1 cm. So if we will multiply both the side, then we will get the space of this square, inside space of this square. You can see here I have multiplied this side into the other side. 2 sides only we have to multiply. Then I got 1 1s are 1. I have multiplied 1 into 1, and if we multiply same unit 2 times, then we should write square centimeter. If I will multiply, look at here, if I will multiply meter into meter, then what will be the answer? Square meter. If I will multiply kilometer into kilometer, then what I will get? Square kilometer, like this. So here I have got this square centimeter after multiplying centimeter into centimeter. So this small square has 1 square centimeter space covering. Okay, so you can see this example also. This is the figure. So here also I have to find the area for this figure. To find the area of any figure, we have to divide that figure into small squares. You can see I have divided this figure into 1 2 3 4 5 small squares, and each square will be area of 1 square centimeter. You can see, you can think that this square box I have take out from this space. You can think. So what was the area of this small square? It was 1 square centimeter. So for finding the area of this figure, I have divided this complete figure into how many small square? 1 2 3 4 5. And for every square, what was the area? Area for this is 1 square centimeter. It is also 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 1 square centimeter. So there are 5 square centimeters. So I have written 5 into 1 square centimeter. Means area of 1 square is 1 square centimeter. So there are 5. So 5 into 1 is 5 square centimeter. This is the area for this figure. Now let us move to the next question. Find the area of the shaded figure. You can see this figure. This figure I have divided into so many small squares. But I have to find the space of the shaded figure only. You can see these are the shaded part. I have to find the area for this shaded part only. For that, what I will do? First, I will find all the full squares. You can see here how many full squares are there? 1 2 3. 3 full squares are there. So I will write here 3 square centimeter. So 3 full squares are there, and I have 2 half square. You can see it is completely half. This full square, it is half, and here also half. So if we will have 2 half, then we will get 2 cancel, then we will get 1. So 2 half will make 1 square centimeter. Okay, then we will get the area for this shaded figure is 1 is 3 square centimeter plus for 2 half we got 1 square centimeter. So total we got 4 square centimeter. This is how we find the area of a figure which is not special in shape. Now let us find the area of this figure. This is a square. Suppose this square have all side 5 centimeter. All side 5 centimeter. You can see here also 5 centimeter. All the sides are equal. To find the area of any figure, we have to divide that figure into small square. It has all sides equal. So from any side, if you divide this figure into small square, then we will get equal number of square. You can see here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. You can see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We got 5, and from here also we will divide this 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Here also I got. There are how many small square in this big square? We have to find that. For that, what we should do? We should multiply only 2 sides of this big square. Then we will get how many squares, small squares are there in this figure. You can see. Then I will count the small box from here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. It has 5 small squares, and it is we can say this is the side which is 5 centimeter, and it has 5 small square. And from this side you can see here also how many small squares are there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So it has 5 square in every side. So if we multiply 2 sides together, then we will get the area for a square. So for finding area of square, we have to multiply only 2 sides. So if you multiply 2 sides, then we will get there are how many small squares in this big square. So how many squares are there in that? You see, one side is 5 square and another side also 5 square. Okay, then if you multiply these two, then we get 25 square centimeter. Okay, now you can count the small squares. You will get exactly 25 small square. You can see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25. So we divide a figure into small squares for finding the area. For any figure, not only this special square, for any figure we divide that figure into small squares. Here it is the special polygon, so we are able to form a formula from this figure. So we are using this formula for finding area. So this is exactly 25 small squares are there in that square. Now move to this question. Let us read the question first. Calculate the area of the square whose side is 15 centimeter. So one side is given for the square whose we have to find the area. So one side is given means we have all the sides of that square, because all the sides of a square are equal. So if one side is 15 centimeter, then all the other side also will be 15 centimeter. For finding area of a square, we need only one side, because the formula for finding area of a square is side into side. As we know, all the sides of a square are equal. So for this side also we will write 15 centimeter, into for the another side also we will write 15 centimeter. If we multiply 15 into 15, then we get 225 square centimeter. Now let us find the area for this special polygon, which is called rectangle. You can see the opposite sides of these figures are equal, so it is a rectangle. So for finding area of any figure, we have to divide that figure into small squares. So in this figure also, we are going to divide the figure into small squares. You can see the length of this side is 7 centimeter. So we will divide this side, this is which is also length of this figure. So we will go divide this length into 7 part. You can see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So we have divided this figure into 7 part lengthwise, and we have to divide this figure into 5 part, because it is breadth is 5 centimeter. So breadth will divide this 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So we have divided the breadth into 5 small square, you can see, and we have divided this figure 7 small square. You can see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So you can see in this figure, if you multiply the length and the breadth, we will get the area for this figure. You can see this is the length and this is breadth. This is which is also two sides of this figure. So if you multiply the length and breadth, we will get the area for a rectangle. So you can see here, I am going to multiply length into breadth is equal to area of a rectangle. Now what is length? Length is 7 centimeter into what is breadth? Breadth is 5 centimeter. If you multiply 7 into 5, then we will get 7 5 is 35 square centimeter. So whenever you write area for any figure, we have to write square centimeter or square meter. Any unit you have to write as square centimeter, square meter, or square kilometer, like that. Any unit you have to use square, otherwise your answer will be wrong. Always remember, don't forget to write square centimeter, or if it is meter, then you have to write square meter, or if it is kilometer, then you have to write square kilometer. So now let us move to the next question. You can see this. Calculate the area of the rectangle whose length is 20 centimeter and breadth is 5 centimeter. We have already got the formula for finding the area of a rectangle is length into breadth. So now we'll use this formula for finding the answer for these questions. So we have to find the area. So first of all, what we have to find? We have to find the length and breadth from the question. Length is 20 centimeter and breadth is 5 centimeter. Now what was the area of a rectangle? Area of a rectangle is length into breadth. Now we put the value for length. Length is 20 centimeter and into breadth is 5 centimeter. You multiply the numeral first, number first. 20 into 5 is 100. Then centimeter into centimeter, we will make it square centimeter. So this is how we find the area of a rectangle.